In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the ruler in Adobe Fresco. Now to do this, you want to go to the bottom right and you want to click on this ruler over here where it says drawing aids. And when you click on it, as you can see, it's going to put a ruler here onto your canvas. Now you can click and drag it around just like this, and you can of course adjust its position that way. So I'm going to leave it like it is right now. And then what this does actually is when you select a brush, you can just click next to it and draw, and it's going to draw perfect lines for you just like this. Okay, as you can see, that's quite convenient. If I do it like this, it's not going to work, but if I actually go next to the ruler, it's going to draw a perfect straight line wherever the ruler is, and I can then go and of course reposition it and draw another straight line wherever I have it. Okay, on the left or on the right, both are going to work. That's the first way to actually do it. Now what you could also do down here at the bottom right, if you click and hold, it's going to give you more rulers over here. So as you can see, I also have a circle. You can go and place a circle and then draw around it. It's going to give you a perfect circle. And then down here, you also have things like squares over here. So we can also draw a perfect square like this. And then as you are able to see, we also have one last one, which of course is the polygon. So we can also have the polygon over here. You can just draw over it. And there we go. That's how we can essentially do this, okay? Which is quite convenient. Then you can move it around like this. And you could also go ahead and reposition it like however you want. And then draw your kind of shape wherever you want. Just make sure you actually have a brush selected, and then you can just go over it and it's going to work. Okay, so that's how to do this. That's how to use the ruler. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.